How to buy 40 Robux on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can buy 40 Robux on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to buy 40 Robux, you have to log in into your Roblox account in the mobile device through the application. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the Roblox icon at the top right, just in front of the notification icon. Tap on it. Now here you will see various Robux with its amount on its left hand side. There's an option as 40 Robux. So to buy 40 Robux, you need $0.49. So if you have that amount, tap on 40 Robux. Now you have to enter your payment method. You can add your credit or debit card, enter all your card information, and once you have added your card, then you will be able to buy the 40 Robux on Roblox on $0.49. So that's the way to buy 40 Robux on Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.